All right, this is your Monday real life stock review. Simply put, let's dive in. All right, traders from around the world, it's Jeremy Alexander Newsom with your Monday stock review. Let's talk about it. The SPY gapped down, and again, keep in mind the trend is still bullish. What's really intriguing is just the last few days at open, we were down 7.5%. It's a really, really big pullback in a market like this. And I love the fact that we gapped down. Probably tons of people were shorting around open and they just got absolutely hosed. So, yep, that's what occurred. You gapped down and they started shorting and we just immediately got bought up. 5-minute chart on SPY. I mean, we gapped down. Look at all the bearish selling that came in and at open. And as soon as we took out that candle, it was just a fade all day long. Really brilliant fade. And the good news is, in this morning in the day trading room, we were bullish. Tesla was one of the big wins, and Tesla was on fire all day long. The limit buy that we set up before open was actually based off of the pre-market. Really easy to see the pre-market level too. There's your high wave hammer candle. There's your bearish candle. So the previous pre-market resistance was 913. Boom, there was a limit buy, 1330, with a stop at 897.21, and we just faded all day long. So a lot of traders making some really good gains today on Tesla. So Joseph making 9.5 Rs today, which is incredible. It's amazing. Great job. Peter says, could you talk about Tesla today? Literally talk about it every single day. Love Tesla. So love the trend, love the chart, love the gap down. And again, moving averages, just nice and clean, looking pretty. So buy dips on Tesla. Again, it's been my thought that this is, for the most part, let me kind of get this drawing in here. What do we got? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A, B. So this is B wave. We'll probably have a small C next 2 or 3 days. And again, most likely will be a bullish opportunity for the most part. At least that's what I see as of right now. We are in a Wayfair trade bullish, a swing trade actually. So that one is cruising McCruiser Town right now, which is nice. Excited to see that happen. WTARH is one that we have on our list as well. Loved this hammer. Loved the one white soldier. A lot of volume coming in on it. Pretty cheap stock, but we'll see if anything interesting happens on Wader Holdings or not. But the trend right now looks pretty tasty. AMD, really nice gap down and fade on AMD. Got the put sale at 45 for July 2nd expiration. That one's going to expire worthless. Had a lot of traders sell that one, and I still love this hammer. So again, if we pull back halfway into the high of today's candle, I'll probably add to this position. $58 June covered call that expires this Friday, and if we get called away, phenomenal. If we do not, then we will do it again. Fastly, paying people big time. FSLY, if you've been watching any of my videos, you know I've been really bullish on Fastly. Good breakout, good close, above resistance, good volume. Buy the dip, let the trend continue to be the trend on that one. Net, aka Cloudflare, huge volume, good close. The high of today, 31.92. I'll be adding to this position tomorrow on some pullbacks, and I love this trend. Be long, ladies and gentlemen, on Cloudflare. I really like the look of this one. Beyond Meat, love this candle as well. Strong close. Beyond Meat up 6% today. Got a bullish engulfing candle and almost closing above this upper shadow, which honestly looks brilliant. Really excited to see Beyond Meat next 2 or 3 days. We could see some good continuation on BYND. One of the strongest gaps of the day and the one that paid people the most was DocuSign. DOCU. DocuSign, just an absolute bruiser of a trend. Phenomenal close above this bearish high wave big voluminous candle, and we closed above that the very next day, June 8th. Took out all of the bears, took out all of that volume. The trend is continuing to go to any party you want and hold your beer for you, because that is a friendly trend. Good gap, good trend, beautiful move on DocuSign. A lot of traders made some phenomenal returns on DSU. I mean, check out this 3-minute chart. This is the one that we were day trading today, in the morning day trading room. This was the top of my list. I mentioned about 7 or 8 different times. Best gap of the day was DocuSign. Look at that 3-minute hammer. Boom. I mean, a one-wheeled 1988 Toyota Corolla could have made money on that hammer on DocuSign. And then not to mention iRobot, another really, really strong winner on the day was IRBT. Phenomenal gap and go on iRobot. Beautiful volume, trapping tons of people. Watch for that one to hang out and trade sideways for 3 or 4 days, and then most likely continue. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Looks pretty good. Alibaba, BABA, love the candle coming on BABA. Really like the volume. And if BABA can at some point this week close above 220, I think that it will have a really strong chance of hitting 232.82 between now and earnings. Of course, we'll see if that happens, but again, a close above those resistance levels, 220-ish, this week should prove to be a pretty bullish endeavor, I think, on Alibaba. And so much more goodness out there, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of good trends. Congratulations to Datadog, DDOG, my boy Danny, getting a lot. 10.2 Rs on Datadog. Still has plenty of leaps on DDOG. This is one that we've been very bullish on since earnings, which was May 12th. Really, really strong gap. Beautiful trends. Wow. This thing could hit 100 between now and earnings. What a great, great trend. Just incredible. Look at it go. That IPO is rocking and rolling, ladies and gentlemen. Interesting to see what happens. Last but not least, keep your eyes peeled on Cloudera. CLDR. That is a double bottom on a weekly chart. So if we can close up here, getting some pullbacks, buying some dips, CLDR is looking fresh. In that monthly chart, ooh, look at that double bottom. Looking good. So start playing some dip buys on CLDR. Ladies and gentlemen, $15 January 2022 call options are only $2 and some change. Might want to pick some of those up. All right, folks, that pretty much does it for me. We got the afternoon swing trading room starting in 24 minutes. Thanks so much, everyone, for tuning in, and enjoy your rest of your day, night, week, year, month, quarter, wherever you are, wherever you might be listening to this. Your next stock review coming out on Wednesday. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye. You got it. That was your Monday stock review. Thank you for watching. You are incredible. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.